Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to be doing a DIY welcome wreath for my front door, so let's get started. First things first, I headed over to my local Hobby Lobby and I found this beautiful wood bead wreath, and I automatically knew that I wanted to do something with it. And I also saw these letters down below and I decided to go with the welcome cursive lettering, and I also picked up an additional one just in case if I didn't like it. From there, I just basically painted both of the words in white. You can see that the hello word is actually MDF or cardboard versus the welcome lettering, which is in wood. And now probably the hardest part, which is to find which greenery and flowers I wanted to use. This honestly took a bit longer than I anticipated just because I wasn't too sure what theme and style I wanted to go for, but I ended up finding the perfect style and I had just enough greenery to use for the wreath. And here basically I'm just styling, moving pieces around, seeing what works, what doesn't, until I finally ended up with the end result. And then once I liked what I had, I just used some floral wire and I attached all of those greenery and flowers using the floral wire. Now I opted in using floral wire instead of using a hot glue gun, just because if I wanted to reuse this wreath for a future project, I can easily take off the wire and it won't damage the wood beads. So that's why I chose the floral wire instead of the hot glue gun. Now that I have all of my flowers and greenery on my wreath, I am just going to hot glue the lettering. I wanted to tie it some other way, but I just decided to hot glue it. Either ways, it's just a little tiny piece, so I rather deal with that glue versus the hot glue everywhere along all of the greenery and florals. And then I just hung it from my door using some twine, and as you can see, it's such a cute addition to my front door. I think it's so cute and welcoming, and it definitely looks custom made, so definitely something that is very eye-catching. And I love how I can change up the florals at any point. Like if I want to do something more bohemian, I can add some pampas grass. If I want to do something more farmhouse, I can also change it to that. And it gives me flexibility to change to whatever style I want. I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well as hit that subscribe button so that way I can bring you guys more DIYs in the future. I will be uploading about every 2 weeks just because it's a bit busy this season, but I'm looking forward to showing you guys everything that I have planned. And yeah, up until next time, I'll see you guys. Bye!